Oh my God! Poor guy. He did not even remember that he is retired now. But I know some people, even after retirement, they finish their morning routine, get dressed up, go to bus stand and return. Some even go up to their office with a lunch box and return in the evening. Is it the habit or something else? It is a sheer fear that you will be ignored soon after and your right to belong to this world will be withdrawn. The thought of even your office functioning without you is highly disturbing and shocking. Chairman of the board does not mean a thing when you are retired. Did you know that 1 in 6 retirees surveyed said they were considering a return to the workforce? Well, today we are going to talk about something that has been on my mind lately. The world is changing fast, and it is no secret that the younger generation is taking over. Yes, the world does not belong to you anymore if you are 60 plus. Yes, you cannot call it as my world or my office anymore. Harsh? Disturbed? Maybe, but absolutely true it is. Did you experience you are called oldie in the market, city streets, shopping mall and park? Hi oldie, move, get away, give way. But giving way to who? Who are they coming? You guessed it right. India leads in youth population with 356 million young people, making it the country with the world's largest younger blood. On the other side of the spectrum, the silver-lined parents of the above youth are expected to reach a staggering 347 million by 2050. This demographic shift is not merely a statistic. It is a societal transformation of unparalleled magnitude with far-reaching implications. Aging is a complex and intricate issue. We will see in this video how seniors are preparing themselves for a second lease of life, having a world of their own, assembly of their own, to remain evergreen. All along, you were devoting yourselves entirely to your family, your children. In fact, your children provided your life's purpose and meaning. When your children were young, you served as caregivers, providing them with love and support. However, when you grow older, so do your children. When they approach adulthood, they no longer depend on you for your support and advice. And they begin to move out into houses of their own with their new families. You may experience a loss of identity and purpose as they embark on their new stage in life. And the feeling of not being needed by your children is a threat and peril to you. Parents who are used to be in caregiver role in their whole lives may find it embarrassing to suddenly become the one being taken care of. This may lower their self-esteem and bring about feelings of shame as they admit they need help from their children. Some retirees may enjoy retirement and use the free time to pursue their own interests and hobbies. For others who always closely identified themselves with their work and fancy job titles may lose their sense of identity and meaning once title and the job is gone. Their careers and jobs keep them occupied for most of their lives, and retirement may diminish their sense of accomplishment and purposes in life. This causes the elderly to lose their identity as they search for new projects and passions to spend all of their extra time on. Now, to rediscover your new identity, do these 6 activities. Number 1. Staying active. Staying active through regular exercises can not only improve the health, it can also provide other benefits such as social interaction with others and exploring the outdoors. It can also help to improve the mood and fight off depression. They can join some yoga, meditation classes and gym. Number 2, Embracing new interest. Introducing new interests and hobbies can be excellent way for the elderly to expand their horizons and discover hidden passions. They can always explore and engage in activities they have always been wanting to do, like painting, gardening, music, or learning a new language. Number 3. Promoting social connections. Loneliness and social isolation are common challenges for many elderly individuals. To combat that, engage actively in social connections and build meaningful relationships and create a sense of belonging. Make regular visits to families and friends. Organize social get-together. In fact, the college and school reunions are also a great way to see how far you have come. Reunions are like time machines, but without the weird science fiction complications. They give you a chance to reconnect with the people who knew your life before it got complicated, before mortgage, kids, and all the grown up stuff. Number 4. Shift the focus from zigzagging on the past to the bubbling present. While no doubt, reminiscing about cherished memories can bring joy, constantly living in the past can stop you from fully engaging with the present. By embracing the present, a more fulfilling seniorhood can be attained and nourish a positive outlook on life. Number 5. Engaging in volunteer work or mentorship programs with some leadership roles like President of Resident Welfare Association might redeem your lost corporate titles. You can contribute your knowledge, skills, and experience to make a positive impact. You regain a sense of self-worth and also feel valued and appreciated by those communities. It brings you the renewed sense of purpose and identity. Number 6. Look around. Everything is moving at a speed that makes the speed of light seem like a bullet caught jogging. AI, cryptocurrencies, big data, blockchain, machine learning, etc. Making Alexa part of your day is as simple as asking a question. Alexa can play your favorite song, read the latest headlines, dim the lights in your living room, and more especially like a robo cleaner. All technology operates as your assistant. They are all only applications to apply in your life and not a rocket science to learn. You don't design and manufacture a screwdriver, but you know pretty much how to use them. Similarly, you just need to know how to use high tech by reverse mentoring, because it's a young person's game out there. And let us be real, you can't run a marathon with a walker. Keep up with the tech changes, otherwise you will be left out. Once the retirement newness wears off, you may start to question your new situation. Will my money last? Will my health hold up? Am I being useful, or am I going to just play bridge and golf for the rest of my life? Retirement also thrusts your partner together all day, sometimes for the first time in years. You might realize you did not marry just for lunch or for purse, or it might boomerang on you. Stop telling me what to do. I am not one of your employees. So, retirement blues have to be sailed smoothly. After years of hard work, retirement is your time to focus on doing the things you enjoy. Whether yours is 10 years or 15 years away, planning for the future and engaging yourself, as we saw in the video, can help you to make the most of your retirement. Thanks for your time in watching till end. Please subscribe, like and comment your opinions.